What are you eating, Iris?
Cookie.
What kind of cookie?
Black.
Black. Can you say Oreo?
Oreo.
Oreo.
Oh, it hurts me. It hurt.
It hurt?
Yeah.
Did you bite your finger?
Mom? Oh no. My dad.
You broke it in two. That was pretty good. What are you doing?
Right.
No, thank you.
What's that, Iris?
Right.
Where? For who? Who gets a bite? Only Iris gets a bite? Can I have a bite?